shit. Oh shit, 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 shit. Nope, 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 nope.
Fuck. Hell is all that?
Are you serious, brother? Oh my god. That's a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, in the front as well. Oh. Air ride.
Right.
He's like ragging against this fence here. Look at him. And then I've slammed on and beeped at him. Now look at him. What the hell? He like dives on my car. Why did he do that? Look at me. He's like on my windscreen right where the cheeky gets. And then look at him.
Have a look. Oh, good, yeah.
I'm gonna go fucking miles back. Fucking slow down. Slow down. And stop coming so fucking close to my car.
Listen mate, right. I've just reversed back up that road 3
Yeah.
times. Waited for 20
I don't care
cars.
about reversing.
Don't come in here. I'll fucking rip you out the
I
car
don't
and rip your
care
fucking head
about
off.
reversing.
I'll fucking reverse
Reverse
back.
it
Don't
where?
fucking come up in my face. I'll fucking kill you.
It's alright, mate.
What the fuck is it, that bridge, isn't it? Mate.
Shit, the fucking
Shit.
look at the state of that. He ain't got a job to.
Oh, that's gonna blow up, bruv. Fucking, I ain't waiting around there.
Fucking hell.
That's all the diesel's pulling out and all that.
I got your phone down here.
Oh,
इन्हीं कैब ड्राइवर और गाड़ी रुक रही है और से उल्टियाँ दूसरी गाड़ी डायरेक्ट head on smash. What the hell, man? Looking very good. It's a head-on collision from opposite ends. अच्छा gente tanja khaya गाड़ी दो भैया मोर रहा ला ईमान नाई दीन नाई.
So I've only had the fan for 4 months, and this is when a lovely BMW driver thought, you know what, fuck it, let's open him up like a tin can. Look at that. Never trust BMW drivers, seriously.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
put murder by her own husband, had a friend called Shelley who's going to tell us about her. Plus, was losing your hair the biggest hurt from your...
No. Josh was blocked in the market. Marla's that's how they're going to lift in it, and this is how they're going to tempt him to move a car. Let's see, does this work or not? Josh, that should go in further, I reckon.
Yeah.
Hey!
Come on! Come on, push.